Division. It's a division about Nanado and Bawumia.
Oh,
I'm telling you because
division. Chabude. That's it. MVP. Thank you, Toro. Muda Sukwana.
As what I'm breaking kakra. As what I'm breaking kakra. I'm breaking kakra.
SOMPA FM.
Thank you, Toro. I'm breaking.
Me sure. Me na me mama unity to be frank. Me kasi me follow where me da down. Man follow. But me buy my say omo call baby nti omo kwa yebi wo baby so di omo call.
He no moko.
I think UK also.
Omo kwa abruchiri.
Yeah.
Omo kwa thank you Toro.
Omo kwa ye also they say your branches wo ho nyina nti omo ye nyina na omo ba.
Nti omo kwa no ken di omo echiana.
O dabi wa.
Ken anka ho bi.
Dabi. That's why they all withdraw from the omo draw no withdraw.
Nti no still a onya ma. They be on back Kumase no. Sikan wo bi the be mu no. E na no resign. Wanye say obesa akobio. But Sasem now can say all the national executives of the party, as I say, man bomoding war year the 2024 elections, you know, ebuno munyina do you still stand by that comment? Was it national executives of the New Patriotic Party? You still stand by that statement?
By that, yeah.
What's the sound arguing?
There will be someone doing
attacks me and ma also.
Now, me a stubborn a ground.
Chairman Butey also heading.
Me a stubborn a ground.
Stubborn as in what?
Sir, Obaka say, because I'm a cassa say, well, me fees a margin, near margin, no, and into be attacking me when family cry.
You still hold on to that.
Oh, and then family cry, power, Obia, or maybe power attacking and family.
Don't you think, sir, it's because of, sir, Uni Pepasa Obesa running for that office and
I sign it you. Me say, yam perform. Ye my 137 seats. And you say, copy be a become. You are trying about 88 or 80 something. Is it 88?
88.
And you won't hear say, ye executive your way, will be a become press or pay ye new ideas. No matter party, because party no, yet you know. Nanya dia yesi kasam ni ade te say na say yesi kasam no yeti no chese wow bre no ko bibi kakra na body aye party no na ekue nim but see now you look as if akwe kasam ni ti we am so be fi baby but anya good
elections in the New Patriotic Party at the national executive level no akwakwa yesi kasam
me feel say I was see ye party no chain ni ebenya o dey make what you say. Because party no one, so baby as see a do no baby e dey kono, enfata party no.
So you still feel say the current crops of national executives, you know, that so e wo ho na 2028 elections na.
Mwaye.
Bo say din Google.
Miss Mwaye.
Mo e kire say mo be din Google.
Masa ba me ka say me sure.
Bitie.
Party no. Yeah, and this is voya. You say, wow, you're Flagbearer, no leader no. MPP in this
Senate.
MPP there, oh you're Flagbearer, we are the chairman, the national chairman of the party, only leader.
Even Wabra, more pound say
yes,
or you're the flag bearer of the party.
Because you need to be a woman say, wow, you're Flagbearer, no leader. In him. By you know, I say you're chairperson no. And the leader near the chairman of the party. Your friend saying, thank you to your Mukoye.
Sure.
As sama see what the man in Krana Brekum or something.
They see what Brekum.
Brekum.
Yeah. Between a Bronye and Honorable Kennedy, Japan. Yeah.
I said I was a party hierarchy. I'm quite to say chairman and general secretary.
General secretary.
I'm point, you know, I'm from you know. Announces that omoji speaker no omoji mic free e yisem no I was almost basho miru nyina say yomo ye nenye then it ends there but so man yen sa ne wom no ma Kumase obi akọ obi sikai we say man draw we say
national chairman so the ambassador wo yare
a whole regional chairman obi di ba kwatem sa what is this I don't know kabom ne yakoye ya na say yakotiti mu. Right there na ka was about Yanji speaker no crowd contable mu nyina. And what is the interest?
And which na Abronya Susakotana won't
and I say Abronya after that no say idea omu no kasa kire omu after say omu no encounter the buy no enka enkoba say Abronya be say ba betra radio so abedi kenatem as regional chairman, the whole regional chairman
and the national executives of the party musu Mayan Shahain.
Yes,
Mayan Shahain
at the enquiry. Oh, near me, I feel the water was about. Anyway, you see,
because Uncle the Papa Moa, Uncle Sassam the sea,
that very day, Bawumia or chairman or general secretary or organizer or party none or
yeah.
It was a couple to me from me. When you're first one year, also the world's 1 year, suddenly and peck. Because I do know ye baba dasi. Yes, our party name was say ebeba. Nemuye no moye gu party name asenti. E promocho mamu mo bianka obi ahwan sem bi mo semo and mo individual problem a semo nye platform which number na obi ehu.
But Chairman Butey, you are the first national vice chairman of the party. As we see here, one year no, and you be able to sense you any demand. I am paying for the national executives no one.
Amuka team no ho kwa
team no omukoro and you be all this hard dream my general secretary because me say general secretary count
and I make sure
I need the party chairman 17 no
so na nka so mo ye we are common sense you know was am sanko fro we go with job
oh we say common sense
yes nyame na was am koka we job also mo hu also mo hu no mo stop no ma no sisi a de no nkoye no ni papa na kepe and sisi akoye bibi ho division sisi a division abeda Nanado and Bawumia.
Oh,
I'm telling you because
division
me catch road
but anya Nanado nana ebo Bawumia
see me na asama okokan no to say ye be to aba e be catch 3 days ni akoto petrol mu on akoto petrol mu
Nanado
petrol ye tumu Nanado ana say well
because I had a conversation with the bulk oil storage association. Chairman. Can say it is the determining of the prices of the increase or decrease of fuel in Ghana here is devoid of political machinations. Yes. He said it on the program today.
Good. Now can we now can say arrogance of power or something.
Yeah, arrogance of power.
Good. Power na you buy, when leader. Is it not Nanado?
Sure.
You are the second person. So also arrogant. Oh.
And you feel
let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. One more ministers, one more DCs, one more no support Nanado, one more also arrogant. One more abubefu. First day because say na can say free or no ever. Say even a part of your friend say
Michael Okoye report now
I was a free chairman and as a general secretary never. Oko kasa pepe that means nipa na do buy no only no a problem.
And you feel there's a problem now?
Yes. She said me just as something or no. I dey no mo no I the division aba. I'm telling you because no kind of no. I can tell you for sure. Me minim Nanado na me ko ho. I na minim ni oka. But minim say the problem beba Nanado ni on ntem. Because we second in command.
You are just conjecturing.
Yes. So say free say Nanado aye dey bi ana say bibi by na wompa go to him sit down with him. Ye levy obi anim say na onyintu
na onyintu
obi anim the why I say and now ye kwakoye thanksgiving Thanksgiving tour ne was ye say e was say ye pomo chow ne mo reshim so e mo reshim ne ye mo nkranse sem oh minu anam ye tumi awini enya hwe bibia ye fast da banyame boni bia obia ye bia wa okoto ye wa okoto me de meja chemo me so sema ye obi boni na ba sa ba ya mo mfa ncheme ye nyina na ye wo party Said never any bibia or china, Yakupon Yadom, Nina, party, no party in Bapawa. Once we be on there, when you're the offers be on there, when you're offers in the Babian there. Intimate seven. No one in be a party in the Ayam, and I remember I am beyond the young Chasso. Then you move party forward. This is the message.
SOMPA FM.
Sort as here. Now, Yafi now call them will be arrogance of power, a dear, blah, 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 blah. So necessary. Yafi now call your blame game. So necessary. And I am party from Penifona Quakers, so much to say. I Niasi Bia, ya party near day. Elusu. In the Movanche, one of Mutuabanuma nearby. Yet try say a baby, but Niadena Yano, Anye, and he said Bonnie be a buyer, I be a year free year Movanche, si free Flagbearer and Swap, Movanchano, si free Nanado, Movanche, oh, Namichano. They are paying him. So that, so we are Nanado Waba, where you can in Nipa Waba, where you are Waba. It is, I would say, can crash some. So, now you can't unite here.
Not Kabum Nyading. But said you propose several national executives. I was say, Munino, ye every or now, ye new crop of ideas. No, do you think that with a flag bearer to the party must sacrifice your former flag bearer?
I know the delegates' opinion.
But what do you think?
Maybe, Sir, delegates don't be ni papa maya. Maybe will be on the piano, Messono. Ubia on be number bia Messono. And not meaning pet post to answer my quack everybody about party. No. Because 2016, not many regional chairman view. And so, made the campaign. Me say Sika.
2016.
2016, yes. Me campaign ba, me say Sika so pa. Na many post be a. In the mean continent field, like I said, party ya bre once and able to tell me. Me say, then the two, Tama Rollins, the declare, you know. Me say you chase me sa 96. Senya NDC boy we are and any free club back for Sua and come.
Wow.
And so